Hello. In this tutorial, I'll introduce you to the key elements of the Location tab at site level, including the data you can define at site level, the information in location templates, and how to set the hourly weather files for your simulations. As mentioned in the earlier tutorial on model hierarchy and inheritance, Designbuilder models are organized in a hierarchical structure.
You can access the full tutorial from Designbuilder's website here. This page contains our extensive range of free tutorials, including an introduction to the software and more details on Designbuilder's key capabilities and workflows. The tutorials are all short, enabling you to quickly and easily view the most important details in your areas of interest. They provide an excellent guide for anyone wanting to evaluate Designbuilder. A direct link to this specific tutorial is included in the video description.